Good morning. Do you ever have one of those days when you sort of just grab something from the cupboard and then realise you seem to have started a trend? No? Huh. Okay. Welcome to International Dress Like a Smurf Day. Today's a relatively normal day in Project Rec. We're just going to do some gardening. Okay, gang. So, filming again, interrupted by weather. I only have this is my phone, which is waterproof. I have one other camera that's waterproof, but it was playing up today, so had to leave the main camera behind. But what we've done is we're getting groundworker in tomorrow, Tuesday, sorry. He's going to start building a retaining wall in front of this wall. And so to be able to do that, he needed to see this wall. And so what I've done is I've just cut all the grass, all the foliage off this wall now, which you can now see. I've also gone and done this wall as well. And over here, I've just run out of fuel, but over here, you can see the sort of stuff we've been cutting through. It's just really, really thick. Now, it's going to be a bit different, and it's going to be another big step. And as ever with this project, you sort of battle and fight and work for ages, and then suddenly you leap ahead in big steps. So yeah, that's it. So that's basically what we've done out the back today. Out the front, it's been a bit more sort of tidying. I'm shot, but I might do a bit more tomorrow morning, tidying up with the hedge trim and things. So that's it for today. Another day of showers. But yeah, stay fit, stay happy, and we'll see you on the next one.